savvy teens! It's never too early to start building your financial empire. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore 7 ways on how to earn money as a teenager. Whether you're saving up for a dream gadget, planning for college, or just want some extra cash for your weekend adventures, these strategies are tailored just for you. Number 1, freelancing and online gigs. Welcome to the digital age. Tap into your skills and explore freelancing opportunities online. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer offer platforms for teens to showcase their talents. Whether you're into graphic design, writing, programming, or social media management, these platforms provide a global stage for your skills. Remember, it's not just about making money, it's about honing your skills, gaining valuable experience, and building a professional portfolio that will benefit you in the long run. Number 2, tutoring and academic assistance. If you excel in a particular subject, why not share your knowledge with others? Offer tutoring services to fellow students or even younger kids in your neighborhood. You can also provide academic assistance by helping with homework or test preparation. Consider creating a structured tutoring plan and marketing your services through community bulletin boards or online platforms. It's a win-win. You reinforce your understanding of the material while earning some extra cash and making a positive impact on someone else's academic journey. Number 3, babysitting and pet sitting. Turn your love for kids or animals into a money-making venture. Babysitting and pet sitting are classic ways for teens to earn money while building trust within their community. Create a professional profile, let neighbors know about your availability, and watch as your schedule fills up. Emphasize your responsible and caring nature, and soon you'll be a go-to choice for families in need of a reliable sitter. Plus, it's not just about earning money. It's about gaining valuable life skills and forming connections with those around you. Number 4, yard work and odd jobs. Many people are willing to pay for a helping hand around the house. Offer your services for tasks like mowing lawns, gardening, or general yard maintenance. Additionally, you can take on odd jobs like running errands, organizing spaces, or helping with small home projects. Consider creating a small business card or flyer to distribute in your neighborhood, showcasing your services and contact information. Your neighbors will appreciate the extra help, and you'll pocket some cash while learning about responsibility and time management. Number 5, sell handmade crafts or art. If you have a creative flair, turn your passion into profit by crafting handmade items or creating art. Sell your creations on platforms like Etsy or at local markets. Whether it's custom jewelry, artwork, or even personalized phone cases, there's a market for unique handmade goods. Dive into the world of e-commerce by setting up an online store, promoting your products on social media, and participating in local craft fairs. Not only will you be earning money doing what you love, but you'll also be building an entrepreneurial spirit that can serve you well in the future. Number 6, participate in surveys and market research. Companies are always looking for feedback, and they're willing to pay for yours. Sign up for reputable survey and market research websites where you can share your opinions on products and services. While it might not make you rich overnight, it's an easy and flexible way to earn some pocket money. Additionally, explore opportunities for focus groups and in-depth interviews, which often offer higher payouts for your time and insights. Number 7, start a blog or YouTube channel. If you're passionate about a particular topic or have a unique perspective, consider starting a blog or YouTube channel. Share your experiences, insights, or skills, and monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Dive deep into content creation by learning about SEO, search engine optimization, video editing, and audience engagement strategies. It's a fantastic way to build an online presence while earning money. And who knows, you might just become the next teen influencer. Overall, earning money as a teenager is not just about financial gain. It's about developing valuable skills, responsibility, and a sense of independence. Explore these avenues, discover your strengths, and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Remember, your financial journey starts now, and the lessons you learn along the way will set you up for a successful future. So go ahead, unlock your teenage financial potential, and embark on the exciting path to financial freedom.